So let's say if I have a coin, right? I flip the coin, either I can get head or either I can get tail, right? So these are two events, two separate events, which cannot be combined with each other. You cannot flip a coin and get head and a tail together, right? So having that in mind, let's go ahead and look into addition. So let's say you have, I'm going to go ahead and draw this big square. I think they call it Venn also. In this square, I'm going to draw two circles. Okay. And as you can see, these two circles are kind of overlapping with each other. We call this event A, and I call this event B. Okay. So if I've got a deck of cards, right, and I'm shuffling it and I'm representing, I'm saying that event A is that if I can pull out an ace, right? So I shuffle the cards and I pull out an ace, any ace, ace of clubs, ace of hearts, then I've satisfied the event A. Okay. Now, if I say my event B is that if I can pull out a card of hearts, right? So then is it possible that these two events, both of them can meet? In other words, I shuffle the card, I pull a card, I get an ace, which satisfies event A, and it is hearts, a card of hearts. Yes. So then this overlap right here is basically called where I can say I have pulled an ace from the deck of cards, and that card, that ace, is of hearts. So if I do that, I have basically met this overlap right here, this intersection right here. So, like I said, if you flip a coin, you can either have event A or you can have event B. But in this particular case, we're adding the probability. We're saying, oh, yeah, I can pull a card and yeah, it's an ace. And yes, it's an ace of hearts also. So then you pulled an ace and you pulled an ace of hearts. And this right here is the intersection. How do you write it down? I think in your books, it's going to say probability A, and then you put upside down B, right? What this upside down means, just put it in your head. Upside down U means and, okay? So this is basically saying probability of A and B are card of hearts. So I hope this was useful. So just a recap, when you flip a coin, you can only have one event, either head or tail. You can't have head and tail. If you have a Venn diagram, you've got two events, event A, event B, right here. You can have addition rules of probability. In other words, let's say you say, I need event A, I need an ace. Okay. Event B, I need a card of hearts. When you pull a card, you get ace and maybe it's hearts. So then you have intersected. You have pulled an ace and aces of hearts. So that is all, my friends, for this lecture. In my next lecture, I'll come back and we'll discuss the union. Okay. Take care of yourself. See you next time.